All right, we have 5.8 part B. We're still writing an equation. This time we want to write the equation in general form. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, or standard form. This is general or standard form. And the way that we're going to do this is we're going to use our calculator. So what's going to happen is that you're going to be given some data. You're going to be told 3 or 4 points on the line, or maybe even you're given a picture and they give you 3 or 4 of the data points. What you want to do is put them in ordered pair format if it's from a picture, and if they already give them to you in ordered pair format, then it doesn't matter. So let's go -2, 1, let's go -1, -3, 4, -1, and let's go 6, 2. All right, so let's say those are our data points. What you're going to do in your calculator is, because they are data points, we're going to enter in the data. And the way we enter in our data is the same way we did when we were looking for lines, meaning the x values go into L1, the y values are going to go into L2, and all of that is done under stat and edit. So stat and edit. Now keep in mind, we do want to make sure that we are on L1 and L2. If there's something there, go ahead and clear them out. We want to put our x values into L1, so that means -2, -1, 4, and 6. And we want to put our y values into L2, so that's 1, -3, -1, and 2. Now that we've put in our data, we need to calculate our data, so stat calculate. And this time, the equation we're doing, it's not a linear line like option number 4 that we did with the last chapter. This time we're doing quadratics. So quadratic regression, which on my calculator is option number 5. If you have the newer calculator, it already says L1, L2, just enter all the way through. If you don't, you need to hit L1, shift 1, comma, L2, so shift 2, hit enter, and you're going to now get A is, and you need to write these down, go a few decimal places out, so like A is 0.297, B is -0.896, and C is -2.91. Now, when you're doing this for me on a quiz, a test, or even your homeworks, I would expect to see all of that A, B, C that you have on your calculator. Then you get to tell me the equation is y equals 0.297x squared, because that's the coefficient of the square term, minus 0.896x minus 2.91. Then you get to write in the equation. But I must see what A, B, and C is first before you write the equation. And that's how we're going to do all of these general forms, is either from a picture or from a list of data, either one. You're going to enter in your x component, y components under stat edit. You're going to calculate it, and then you're going to come up with the equation based on A, B, and C. So that's the second part of 5.8, writing an equation in general form.